Of you, myself Mutt SM, Mechanical Engineering Department of Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am going to engage how to draw the orthopic projection. A simple problem is to be there. From the isometric drawing, you have to draw the front view, top view. That is the orthopic projections. The learning outcome is student will able to draw the orthopic projection of a simple problem. कौन सा problem है? This is a problem. So it is a very simple problem is to be there. So how to draw it? Here we have to draw the front view and top view. Now here you have to draw the front view and top view. So first of all, when you have to draw the drawing, when you have to see the drawing, check the maximum dimensions. Front view में कितना maximum dimensions. So with respect to that, you have to make a outline for that border line. So in the direction of x, you have to standing here and see the particular object. So front view in the direction of x. So when you have to see the object from the front view in the direction, what is the maximum dimensions? Maximum dimension is given that 120 mm by 35 mm. So in the front view, make a block of 125 mm. That is a 120 by 30. So it is a 120 and maximum height is a 35. I am making that block. Now you have to start with this one. When you have to see in this portion is to be parallel to you. ये shaded जो है ना, you have to complete it. कितना है height? Height is to be given 35. Okay. How much that width? It is given as a 15 mm from this end. Draw 15 mm. Because it is a parallel, you have to draw the true shape, true image. ठीक है. How much that depth? The depth is given as a 10 mm. So from that you have to draw downward 10 mm. ठीक है. Then up to where you have to start this end. Total length is 120 mm and it cut will be 60 mm. So from this end you have to move rightward 60 mm. 60 mm and height is, now you have to move vertically 10 mm. Vertically you have to draw 10 mm and it ends here. ठीक है. So from this end you have to travel vertically. कितना maximum dimension? This 35 mm. So draw 35 mm here. Then how much this? It is given as 15 mm. So travel 15 mm. 15 mm and draw the downward कितना है? 10 mm उन्होंने दिया है. So you have to draw this one because this portion is parallel to you. You have to draw as it is. Okay. Then there are two holes are there. Before going to the hole, there is, when you have to see in this direction, this edge is invisible. So draw its dotted line. ठीक है, ये पोर्शन हो गया. फिर there is a two holes are there. कितना होल? उसका सेंटर लाइन 20 from this end. So here is a 20 and draw one center line. और ये सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस उन्होंने 45 दिया है. 45. Draw the center line. ठीक है. So then you draw two holes. These two holes are invisible because in this direction they are hidden one. So what is the what you call diameter? It is given there two holes of diameter 20. Diameter 20 means radius is 10 mm. So 10 and 10. 10 and 10. And it is a through hole. So from this surface to this surface, you have to draw as a dotted line. Because it is a hole is from this slab to this slab. It is given that this slab to, so draw a dotted line. Here also the same, there are two holes are there, this hole and this hole. Diameter is 20, means radius is 10 mm. Draw 10 mm and 10 mm on the right and left side and draw the dotted lines. हो गया. So this surface is over, this surface is over, this is hidden, this is hidden. So front view is to be over. Now when you have to go for the top view, when you have to see from the top view, what is the dimensions? 120 is given, draw the 120 as it is. And what is the depth? Depth is given as now 60 mm. So from that make a 60 mm block, 60 and 60. This is also 60. A corner to this corner, that is a 60 mm. So whatever you have to draw in this maximum dimensions, जो भी निकाल रहे हैं, whatever you have to draw it, all the drawings we have to draw in this block. Then first you have to draw, when you have to see from the top view, this portion is parallel. Okay, उसका in the you have to draw the only generators. So this will be whole. Now this surface which is parallel to you, draw as it is, because it is parallel to you. And this surface when you have to complete it, because it is parallel, means this portion this is parallel to you. Now these two ends, square block is to be given, right and left. कितना 15 by 15 ऊपर से दिया है, डेप्थ कितना दिया है 15 का 15 का है. सो यहाँ से 15 तो यहाँ मिल रहा है आपको, here and here, and travel 15 mm upward and complete it, and travel downward 15 mm. So these two portions are over. Now this surface is coming upward when you have to see from the back view. So join it. Means these first, second and third is over. This is over. Now these two holes. Now the holes are parallel when you have to see from the top view. These two are parallel. Draw the center line. The center line. And it is given that how much its location, center line is over. What is the location? 30 from this end, left hand side say 30 mm. This end and 30 from this end. What is the diameter? Diameter is 20. So from that it is a, these are true shape, draw as it is. So इसका dimensions कितना है 10 mm. So these two circles you have to draw it. Draw the center line on both sides. So this is all about the top view, maximum dimensions. One more thing is there. Now this edge, जो guide में ये दिख रहा है, this edge when you have to see from the top view, from this end to this end, but it is invisible one. So it is seen as a dotted line. ये जो edge दिख रहा है, this ends to this end. It is a, when you have to see from the top view, it is hidden one. So draw as a dotted line. So this is a front view with the maximum dimensions and top view. What is the maximum dimensions? This dimension is a 120 mm. First you have to make a 120 mm and height is 35 mm. So this height is 35 mm. So you have to make a block of 120 by 35 mm. When you have to go for the top view, this length is already 120. It is carry forward as with respect to generator. And what is the depth? Depth is given as 60 mm. ठीक है. So these are the front view and top view. It is a very simple. So when you have to draw a orthopedic drawing, first of all you have to calculate the maximum dimensions and make a construction, make a simple faint line square block is there, and whatever you have to draw it in that block. So it is a very easy to draw this orthopedic drawing. Thank you.